tour of the special needs page on my website, you'll see that if you become a member, it's only $10 a month and you get so many benefits such as access to special needs videos, video cards, which are vocabulary sign language videos, lessons, and then also live workshops 1 to 2 times a month. So once you click on the special needs tab, you'll see that there are 13 videos right now, and I do add to this library every month. I have a monthly launch where I add new video cards, new lessons, and also some new special needs videos. The special needs videos are about special needs topics, about how to teach sign language to your child, different techniques you can use, teaching ASL with micro lessons, rewarding behaviors, and so on. One of the newest videos I posted here is 10 functional signs. So you may have a child who is nonverbal or who can speak but prefers to use sign language for whatever reason. You can learn 10 functional signs that might be good for you and good for your family and your child to be able to communicate with you. So in this video, I showed 10 functional signs, and you can very easily speed up or slow down the video, whatever fits your needs. And you see that you can very easily scroll through and go to other videos within special needs very easily. So you can see that it's very easy to scroll through and switch between lessons without having to back out and go back to the main page on the website. So again, the special needs videos are here on the special needs tab. Right when you click on them, you see all of the videos. And I do add new content every month. So just make sure you stop by the Sign Tribe website and become a member so that you can have access to these videos. And please, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for stopping by today.